Start by taking a look at the checklist tile. Blue indicators signify that new templates are ready to be set up, while turquoise means that there are updates available for templates that are already in use. To install templates, navigate to the New and Updated Checklists tab. To maintain quality and structuring standards, the creator of a template can use locks to decide whether or not changes can be made to a checklist and its tasks. Closed locks mean that settings cannot be changed. Let's examine the scheduling section more closely. In this example, the checklist appears once in the morning and then again on Friday and Saturday evenings. The morning interval can't be changed. However, you can adjust the evening schedule since there's no lock. You can easily adjust the start time, duration, and repetition interval of the checklist to suit your needs. If you don't need the evening schedule at all, simply deactivate it by selecting the Never Repeat option. Don't forget to save your changes before moving on to the content section of the checklist. Here you decide which of the task templates offered by the checklist owner you want to use. You can multiply or remove tasks using the plus and minus options. If you click on the pencil icon, you can adjust the name of the individual tasks as required. This is particularly useful if you are setting up appliances that are used with varying frequency, such as deep fryers, combi steamers, or refrigerators. However, if the minus sign is blue, you can remove the task from the list. A grayed out minus means that the task cannot be deselected and has to be used. Once you have customized all tasks, confirm your entries. You can then arrange the tasks in the order in which they are to be completed by the employees. Now install the checklist so that it can be displayed on mobile devices. All active checklists can be found on the Installed tab. To get a preview of your checklists, it is best to visit the calendar. Here you can see all checklists with their current recurrence interval and content. Finally, 2 tips. Checklist templates are practically indestructible at site level. You can delete them and set them up again as often as you like. They remain available at your location until the publisher revokes them. Templates that are not relevant to your operation can be skipped so that they are no longer displayed for setup. However, you can always display the skipped templates again if you need them later. How to deal with template updates is covered in a separate tutorial.